Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 60 divided by 5 bracket 7 minus 5 is equals to what? 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 6 factorial or 24 factorial. So let's start with the today's video solution. So I'm going to simplify this with the help of BODMAS rule. Where B is bracket, O is off, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. So 60 divided by 5 in bracket 7 minus 5. So bracket is give us 2. Now 60 divided by 5 times 2. When we divide 60 with 5, we get 12 times 2, which is 24. Now we are going to solve this. So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, which give us 6. And 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equals to 24. So final answer is 4 factorial. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.